and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nereida and I love sharing everyday hair tutorials. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a super easy messy bun that can also be used on elegant occasions. I love this bun. It's my favorite way to do my buns. So let's go ahead and get started. You're going to start by splitting your hair into two sections, and then you're going to go ahead and tie that into a knot. Now you're going to tie your hair in another knot right underneath that top knot. If your hair is long like mine, then you're going to take your ends and you're going to wrap them over the bun, and then you're going to bring them back down. Now you're going to secure the bun with an elastic. Now you're going to start pulling at the bun to add some shape and a little bit more of fullness. Once you're done, you're going to add a couple of bobby pins just to add extra security. And this is the finished look. I left mine a little messy, but if you're looking for a more elegant look, you could always clean it up. And that is it for today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and give me a big thumbs up as that really helps out my channel. Also share with your besties, and until next time, bye!